I am sick of creamy keyboards. Where's those super clicky clacky typewriter type, like perfectly dialed in keyboards? I got you. The AG98 Mechanical Keyboard by Zifriend is exactly what you are looking for. This one has the ergonomic design. You got the mechanical switches. All of these have the colorful backlights, double shot molded keycaps, but I know that's not what you're here for. You're here to hear these switches. I got the blue switches installed in here, and while every other switch is trying to sound like this, Zifriend goes completely out of the box and decides to sound like this. So let's hear what this keyboard actually sounds like. This thing is crazy. If you guys want to get this one, it's actually on a crazy sale right now on TikTok Shop. I'll leave the link to it right there. Peace out.